003. Async await doesn't pause your code. You write await and think your code pauses. It doesn't. Dart doesn't wait for anyone. It just moves on to the next thing. Look at this code. We call print1, then await fetch huge data, then print2. Here's the question. Does the UI freeze while fetching data? Pause and think about it. I used to think await equals thread.sleep. I thought the chef just stood at the door, staring, doing nothing until the data arrived. But that's not how Dart works at all. Imagine a restaurant kitchen. Our chef is cooking order A. Halfway through, he needs a special ingredient that hasn't arrived yet. Does he just stand there staring at the door? Of course not. He doesn't stare at the door. He sets order A aside and grabs the next order from the board. The kitchen keeps running, just like your UI keeps rendering while await is waiting. When the ingredient finally arrives, a note to finish order A goes straight to the VIP board. Remember from last episode, VIP orders always get processed first. That's your continuation, scheduled as a microtask. So let me translate that back to code. The chef is the event loop. When he hits await, he yields, he doesn't block. When the future completes, like an ingredient delivery, the continuation goes straight to the microtask queue. That's why await doesn't block the thread. It yields. Here's what that looks like in actual Dart code. This function calls print start, then hits await fetch data. And right there, await cuts the function in half. Everything below that line, print done, becomes a callback that gets scheduled on the microtask queue when the future completes. Let's prove it. Here's fetch data. It prints 1, then awaits a 1-second delay, then prints 2. In main, we call fetch data without await, then print 3 continues. The output? 1, 3, then after 1 second, 2. 3 printed before 2. The chef moved on. And if you have 2 awaits in a row, like await fetch eggs, then await fetch bacon, that's 2 separate trips to the door, 2 separate VIP orders. Each await is an independent yield and resume cycle. Now here's where the analogy breaks. The chef doesn't actually set aside the whole dish. What await really does is violently chop your function in half. The bottom half becomes a brand new VIP order. It's not pausing, it's splitting. Await doesn't pause your code. It tells the chef, come back to this dish when the ingredient arrives. Next time, code doesn't run in order. We're combining everything, sync code, VIP board, and regular board, into one rule you'll never forget. Sync first, VIP second, regular last.